All right, so number 15. Akeem created a list by correctly putting a group of fractions, percentages, and decimals in order from least to greatest value. Which list could be the one Akeem created? So, I'm going to start by writing my list out. You can write it long ways, up and down. I'm writing it up and down because I tell my kids to put their decimals up and down to help compare place values when we're ordering them. So to order irrational numbers, we have to change all of these to decimal form. Well, 21 hundredths is already a decimal. Remember when changing a percent to a decimal, if a percent sign's at the end with no decimal, you add the decimal to the end and move the decimal 2 places to the left, giving me 22 hundredths. 1/4, 1 divided by 4, so that's 25 hundredths. 35 hundredths is already a decimal. 38%, add the decimal to the end, move it 2 places to the left, 38 hundredths, and then 3 divided by 8 is 375 hundredths. I tell my students to make these all go to the same place value, and then there's no whole numbers, so we can pretend like those decimals don't exist here. So let's look on our, to make a note, least to greatest. So pretending like the decimals don't exist, which number is bigger? 210, 220, 250, 350, 380, 375. And I said, which is bigger? We're going least, so I need the smallest, which is 210. Back in original format, that is 21 hundredths. The next one is 220, going back to original format. And if I'm looking at the first one, I can eliminate B and C. So the next ones have 22%. The next one is 250. So back to original format, 1/4. So we're still going. The next one's 350. Back to original format, 35 hundredths. So that's still going. So this is where the telltale all is. 375 is smaller than 380. So 3/8 comes first, which that one is in D, and then our 38%. So our answer is D.